In this last section of the video, I'm going to be filing the tips of the claws with a very small triangular file. I don't want to have the claws looking like Mount Everest. I want to trim them to make them be a part of the stone. If you find that the triangular file is too small, then I suggest you try a pillar file. The worst part is to have a very large claw holding the stone and covering much of the stone visually. It is not required. I'm just going over the claws of my fingers. I'm going to just touch up the claws, bring them down almost to the level of the table of the stone. That looks nice now. I'm just going to take another file, excuse me, and just trim the insides of the claws. Sometimes the claws will move just a bit, so the stone is getting a bit loose. You don't have to worry about that at all right now. Let's just see if that is the case. No, still tight. Now what I'm going to do now is just go over the claws a bit more. There's a lot of trimming going on in this specific area of cleaning the princess stone. What I'm going to do now is take the ring out of the clamp and going to go now into the cleaning aspect of it. Very, very important. I'm going to start the cleaning. Getting all the marks off it. Starting at the bottom of the claw and work myself up. Yes, this is about a 25 out of 10 on the difficulty scale. Always make sure that the claws are nice and clean, ready for the triply and rouge, because what you're doing now is the most important aspect of setting the stone, and that is cleaning. Always use a very fine edge new pumice wheel. Don't use one that's worn down. You won't get what you need from it. You've got to have exact, clean claws. So instead of having a Mount Everest, I got a small anthill in relationship to the size of the claws. I think you could see that now. If not, well, I'm sorry. I can't help that. What I would like to do, maybe, is take a picture of it and put it onto an orchid so you can see the finished item. Oh, it looks nice. It's clean all over. I have to clean all over the areas of the shank. No, I did not stage anything prior to this setting because I wanted to see how long it takes. It takes me about 10 minutes to set a princess stone. I'm going to show you a before and after picture on orchid on the forum. It's nice. I know it's a bit hard to see, and I understand that, and I appreciate you saying, well, Gerry, I can't see what I'm looking at. Well, I'm going to